explained the life of Lord Krishna. And यही महाभारत में भगवद गीता explain की गई है students. Now the sometime there are period in history, languages and literature that gives a shining way, shining path to the literature, and still it is going on. And that ancient art is the Raghuvansha, Kumar Sambhavar, they have written by Kalidasa, Kirat Tarjuna by Bharvi, and Shishupal Vad by Maga. They are well-known composition of ancient period written in a classical Sanskrit. All these are written in which language? Sanskrit. Which language? Sanskrit language. Now we अभी सब बहुत सारे movies देखने के लिए you went to a theater. तो theaters भी थे in ancient time, but normally they say means whatever their traditions are there, they explain that tradition in the form of story and in the form of a music, in the form of story and in the form of music, and the art discussed in detail in Natya Shastra, in which Natya Shastra and Bhasas Swapna Vasavadatta and even the Kalidasa's Abhigyan Shakuntal. This Abhigyan Shakuntal is such a nice book, and I have read it, and even this Swapna Vasavadatta Bhasas also means it's just a story. Okay, and even such kind of stories is available in the movie form also. But if you read with these books, you will get idea that what kind of literatures were there during that time. Narrative literature. See, students, in the ancient time, the storytelling was the only way to educate a people. अभी की तरह आपके books, notebooks, test वगैरह नहीं थे. Only what are there? Storytellings were there. Even Bruha Katha is written language, Paisachi is well known, and even we are aware about a Panchatantra. This Panchatantra is written by the Pandit Vishwakarma, and it is an excellent example of a narrative literature. See, so it's excellent information. Okay, now the next. Next is what? That a life of the people. What kind of peoples were get living during ancient period of time? That in ancient India, they gives life of common people of time. Even they have flourished. Even in third lesson also we have learned in Harappan civilization. We have a trade relation from ancient time. We have a trade relations with the ancient time. It means that they have flourished internal as well as a foreign trade, and society get divided into various castes. Okay, and every traders, they have their organization, and each organization, what it is called? It is called as a Shreni. What it is called? Shreni. Just like हम बोलते ये हमारा group है, ये हमारा टोली है. Okay, so basically in ancient times such kind of organization of traders, traders, it is known as a Shrenis. And even trade were in Indian goods like fine textiles, ivory, precious stones, spices, beautifully they made with the earthen pottery, and they were great in demand in foreign countries. The main crops were rice, wheat, barley, and lentil. Okay, even these are the main crops which were grown from ancient time. And what the people eat during that time. See, abhi ke jaise nahi, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. At that time, people also get also there. But may the staple diet and the main diet of that peoples were the fish, milk, ghee, fruits. Okay, these food items were also there. What are the food items? Were there? They love to eat the rice, wheat, barley. Even the fish get also included. Okay, where's there? Even the concept of stitching clothes, that we peoples, even in India, we love to wear a cotton clothes. Okay, though we wore this cotton and woolen clothes, and even the clothes. Right now we are wearing that peoples are wearing dhoti, uparna, munda se, sari. Even these concepts were from in the ancient period. And we have learned about the Kushana king. In that period, the concept, the stitching clothes concept were get used. अभी हम लोग stitch clothes पहनते हैं, just like coat हो गया, साड़ी हो गया, dress हो गया, okay, shirt, pant हो गया. That stitch cloth concept is used from the Kushana period. Okay, and now the medicine. Indian medical science students, Indian medical Ayurveda is a word currently. Okay, and it is very old tradition. It seeks that understand the symptoms of the illness. So normally we goes to the doctor and doctor asks what happened, what kind of means your head is paining, why head is paining, your okay, your head is paining, your stomach is also paining, and your head is why your bones are also paining. Okay, yesterday you eat something. The बहुत सारे questions पूछते. Why they ask questions? Because they identify that what are the exact reason, what happens with you. In the same way, it is understand the symptom of an illness and its diagnosis and treatment. So it is same in Ayurveda also. So also much thought has been give prevention of illness, that Jivika was a well-known Vaidya. And even we have learned about this Jivika in when we are going to, we have learned about the Vadha dynasty, Gupta dynasty. Okay, well, Jivika, they are a well-known Vaidya in a court of a Bimbisara. Charak Samhita, हमने English में पढ़ा है Charak Samhita, that they have given a detailed information about the clinical diagnosis and pharmacy, and it was written by the Charak, the famous surgeon Sushruta, and they had discussed and diagnosed of different ailments and their remedies in his treatise, the Sushruta Samhita. Okay, what Sushruta Samhita, what they are written remedies and treatments. The importance of the text is that it discusses that different causes leading, what kind of the different causes were for the injuries, what kind of fractures should be there. Everything is written in this book. And even see, this is a Kitab-e Susud. This Sushruta Samhita, sorry. Sushruta Samhita get translated in Arabic language, and the name of that language is a Kitab-e Susud. Even the Vagabhatta, he has also written many books on medical science. Not only Jivika, not only Sushruta, even the Vagabhatta, even they have written books on medical science. Then Ashtanga Sangraha, Ashtanga Hriday Samhita. They have, these are the important medical science book. And even the Buddha Bhikkhu, Siddha Nagarjuna, what? Buddha Bhikkhu Nagarjuna, he has written this Rasa Ratnakar book which describe a chemical metal. And students, mathematics. Our Indian math is also get worldwide famous. Why? Because we knows very well that we introduce, means our India is the first country who use 1 to 9 numbers. Worldwide it gets over and we accepted it. But we introduce a zero. Because of this zero, new decimal system get introduced in the world. Just like you know very well, the square root of 4 is 2. But root ka square root kya hai? Okay, the square root of root 2, then we say 1.1414. Okay, fine. But that decimal point, who get the credit of this? Only to the India, because we introduced zero and the whole decimal systems can change in the mathematics. Aryabhatta, even Aryabhatta was an Indian astronomer. देखो आर्यभट्ट कितने एंशियंट टाइम में थे, लेकिन वो हमारे साइंटिस्ट थे. वर्ल्ड को पता नहीं था कितने ये थे व्हाट वी से प्लैनेट्स कितने थे, बट अवर इंडिया अपने एंशियंट टाइम में कुंडली देखते ना, आपका शुक्र भारी है, बुध भारी है, ये भारी है, शनि भारी है। ओके, तो हम लोग अपने पुराने टाइम से फ्रॉम एंशियंट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग इट इन अवर एज सीइंग अ फ्यूचर। ओके, मतलब इतने थे। एंड इवन साइंटिस्ट डोंट नो, साइंटिस्ट को पता नहीं था दैट व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मार्स एंड द अर्थ। लेकिन हनुमान चालीसा, इन हनुमान चालीसा विच इज रिटन इन एंशियंट टाइम, उन्होंने वहां पे मेंशन किया है कि व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन this one, what is the distance between earth and the mars? It is such kind of, we are such excellent, itne excellent hai hum. Okay, but still we didn't got the, okay, okay, still we didn't got the opportunity. Okay, then the Varam Mihi, they have wrote a famous take Pancha Siddhantika. Okay, these are this